GoPro Hero 11. Opening shot, captivating landscape, adventurous outdoor scene. Background music, upbeat and energetic. Narrator, voiceover. Get ready to capture life like never before with the all-new GoPro Hero 11. The ultimate companion for adventure seekers, content creators, and adrenaline junkies. Shot, extreme sports footage, surfing, snowboarding, skydiving, etc. Overlay text, Hero 11, pushing the limits. Narrator, voiceover. The Hero 11 is designed to push the limits of what's possible. Its cutting-edge technology and sleek design make it the most powerful GoPro ever. Features. Shot, close-up of GoPro Hero 11 showing its rugged build and waterproof design. Overlay text, waterproof up to 50 m. Narrator, voiceover. Dive into the action fearlessly with the Hero 11's waterproof design. Submerge down to 50 meters and capture stunning underwater moments. Shot, GoPro mounted on various equipment, helmets, bikes, etc. Overlay text, versatile mounting options. Narrator, voiceover. Attach the Hero 11 to almost anything with its versatile mounting options. Capture every angle and never miss a moment. Shot, Hero 11 capturing ultra-smooth video while in motion. Overlay text, Hypersmooth 4.0. Narrator, voiceover. Experience Hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization, our most advanced technology yet. Say goodbye to shaky footage and hello to professional-grade videos. Shot, Hero 11 recording in low-light conditions. Overlay text, Super Night Mode. Narrator, voiceover. Even in low-light conditions, the Hero 11 shines. With Super Night Mode, capture stunning clarity and detail in the dark. Shot, Hero 11 capturing breathtaking 4K footage. Overlay text, 4K Ultra HD. Narrator, voiceover. Witness lifelike, cinematic quality with 4K Ultra HD video. Your adventures will come to life with every play. Shot, GoPro app being used to control the Hero 11 remotely. Overlay text, seamless connectivity. Narrator, voiceover. Control your Hero 11 remotely and transfer footage effortlessly with the GoPro app. Share your experiences with the world in an instant. Ending. Shot, a montage of epic adventures and breathtaking moments captured with the Hero 11. Overlay text, GoPro Hero 11. Unleash your adventure. Narrator, voiceover. Don't let life's most incredible moments pass you by. Capture every adventure, every thrill, and every memory with the GoPro Hero 11. Unleash your adventure today. Closing shot, GoPro Hero 11 logo with website and social media handles. Narrator, voiceover. Visit our website and follow us on social media for more updates and inspiration. Get your GoPro Hero 11 now and make life epic. Background music fades out. End of script. Remember, this script is entirely fictional and created for illustrative purposes only. If there were a real GoPro Hero 11, the actual promotional video might showcase different features and a real product experience.